Hi everything! Hi guys! I'm with my barista friend, Pamela. So yeah, we're going to make the Dalgona Milo, and before we're gonna show you the ingredients, please don't forget to click subscribe and like and share. So stay tuned. We're going to add the egg. So we're going to make 2 egg white. Oh no. Because we're making for 2 persons. One for me, one for her. Okay, update guys. So the first one was a flop. So we're gonna start over. And by the way, this is Milo. Nasa Nesquik. It's Milo inside. Okay, second. So we're gonna start over again kasi bugok na yung itlog. So, ayun na siya. Yan.
Wow. Oh, saan yung milk mo? Wow, ganun. Tingnan natin kung hindi malalagyan yun.
Wala, wow. Ano? Nawala. Yan, sa'yo. Bakit ganyan yung kulay?
Parang ganun naman yung sa kanina. Ganito yung milk mo. Nag-ice na ba siya?
Nag-ice.
Kula ko naman. Sirahan.
Puro ano na lang, palpak. Tan! Yan na siya, guys. Wow! Sige lang. Okay, taste test. So, ano na? Para siyang icing.
Oo.
Yung amoy.
Kasi may egg.
At least hindi malangsa.
Okay naman. Pero mas masarap pa rin yung coffee.
Okay. Oh, mas masarap yung coffee, no? Taste test, para lang siyang gatas, no? Gatas na medyo may parang foam something. Hindi rin siya gaanong matamis. Siguro kasi less sugar yung nilagay natin sugar. Mag-stick na lang kayo sa coffee. Until next time. Bye! Okay, guys! Puro na lang failure tong video na to. Meron pa pala siya may pala siya cereal.
Kung maglalagay tayo.
So, matik na. Kaunti na lang yung natira. Sa kanya lang naalala. Okay.
Para
the
lang yung
upgrade
version.
version.
Nag-enjoy.